Alright, my peeps, so I came to pick up the rest of the boards. It was a mission. It was an hour drive. It was like 60 miles. I brought my headlight and some gloves. There you go, look. It's pretty dark. It's in a pallet. So these are the ones I need. Thank goodness. Wow. It's a couple of them. Make my trip worth. Yeah, so I came to this warehouse place. Alright, my peeps. Alright, so I'm gonna get my headlamp, get my stuff ready, and start loading up, my peeps. So I won't be here too long. Alright, my peeps, I'm done. And I counted. He gave me an extra, man. I only asked for 35. And he gave me 49. Well, I'm taking 49. And I'm leaving behind, let's see. I'm leaving behind 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Because these 4, they were cracked, literally broken. Which they're no bueno. They lost their structural integrity. So I'm leaving those 4 behind, and then these particle compressed. I don't like them. I don't like them, and there's 5 of them. So I'm leaving 10 boards behind. It's cool, man. I have more than enough. I have plenty, and they're staying behind in the pallet. So I'm out of here, my peeps. There you go. Got them for free. Truck is loaded. Not that heavy, but it's loaded. So I'm out almost to the roof of the seating of the truck camper. Okay, I'm closing up. Alright. Alright, we're good. Making sure my tires are good, the air. Leaving this behind. Yeah, we're good. The front too. Yeah, we're good. Alright, my peeps, just making sure I'm good. Got a long way home. Alright. I'm out. Peace. Told you guys an hour drive. 60 miles. Alright. Got a long ways. Alright, my peeps. I'm out of here. Alright, my peeps. I'm home. 12:31. Alright. That's it. Call it a night.